What's up? Mga kakayis, nandito pa rin kami sa Burjuman. So, yan ang mga phone. Naka-inquire na kami dito kanina. Dito sa shop na to. Ano yan? Silsila. Yan. Pero, hindi ako satisfied. So, pupunta tayo dito sa kabila. Ito, sa Polar Light. Dito pa rin sa Burjuman, sa exit 1. Tanong mo muna.
Yes, everyone. Swimming pool, everything else. That's all.
Need to pay
Brother, you have here a tripod for mobile.
Yeah.
10?
But I want with also with I have a light. No, I have a light. I want to put my light.
Check first.
You wanna
Tripod. You have the tripod.
prefer small one?
So with extendable.
With extender.
With extender.
Like this?
Yeah, and then I want I have a light there. I will put my mobile and I want
You
put
put
my
mobile
light.
there.
Yeah.
You
Yan,
put like
yan,
this.
mga kayis. Okay.
Like this.
So it is can you show me the setup? Brother? So ito siya. Oh.
One big, that one
Extendable this one?
standable.
Wow, yun oh. Quality yun oh. Sabi ni tatay oh. Shower out kay tatay. How much is that?
That one 70.
Oh, 70? No discount?
65 maybe, 65.
Yan ba yung gusto mo?
Can you show me, sir, how to set up? The full setup.
Yan ba yung
So yun, si set up sa atin ni
You
ano.
know, stand like this, straight. This one, like this. Which one?
So better straight, vertical. Yeah.
Straight, huh?
Yeah. So for that I can add my light. I think I cannot add. I have a light.
Light where you put.
This one is sliding type. You know Ulanzi? Ulanzi brand? Ulanzi brand, no? Not no. I buy it from online. So that is their style. So yun, oh, binibenta sa atin ni Kuya, oh. Yan ang setup niya, oh.
Also, like this.
Yeah.
Like this.
And for what is this one?
This one, you put it straight.
Okay. But no additional for light, no?
Light.
So yun right now.